हेलो। आज का ये वीडियो मेरे बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स के लिए है जो अक्सर मुझसे पूछते हैं कि डाइट के साथ हम अल्कोहल का कंजम्पशन कैसे कर सकते हैं। सो वेदर अल्कोहल इज अ टॉनिक और इज इट अ पॉइजन। दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू क्लियर सम डाउट्स, सम क्लैरिफिकेशंस एज टू अगर आप अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन करते हैं। अगर आप नहीं करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन अगर आप अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन करते हैं फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, बी इट फेस्टिवल, बी इट to celebrate, or be it for any other reason, as long as you consume it in the right amounts, it can work into your system as a tonic. लेकिन और at the same time we need to know that अपने फूड में हमारे काफ़ी सारे न्यूट्रिशनल बेनिफिट्स हैं जो हमें इस अल्कोहल से भी कुछ हद तक मिल सकते हैं, क्योंकि अल्कोहल कंजम्पशन ये दो धारी तलवार की जैसी होती है। सो इसके बारे में समझना जानना बहुत इसेंशियल होता है कि हमें कितना लेना चाहिए, फूड के साथ हमें कैसे लेना चाहिए, इसके बीच में कैसे ले, अगर हैंगओवर का इश्यूज होता है तो उसको हम कैसे डील कर सकते हैं अलॉन्ग विद द डाइट, अपने वेट को मेंटेन करते हुए। हाउ इज इट दैट यू कैन वर्क ऑन कंजम्पशन ऑफ अल्कोहल। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस। सो एज वी ऑल नो, अति की कोई गति नहीं होती है, इसीलिए हर एक की बॉडी टाइप एक दूसरे से अलग होती है, हर एक का कंजम्पशन लेवल एक दूसरे से भिन्न होता है। एट द सेम टाइम everybody has a unique capacity to consume alcohol. So if you're doing it which is something which is suiting into your body style, into your body frame, it won't create much of a problem, provided you have the correct reasons to drink. So as we know, some facts say 88% of the Indian population, and especially those who are below 25 years of age, are consuming or purchasing alcohol even though it's illegal. Well, fact also says that the second highest calorific value of a particular food comes with alcohol, with 7 kilocalories per gram. So it is observed that this drink does make someone, if not taken in the correct amounts, can make you put on weight as well. But also we need to know that इसके कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स हैं जो हम सब जानते हैं, जैसे कि अगर एक्सेसिव कंजम्पशन ऑफ अल्कोहल आपकी बॉडी में है या आप लेते हैं, इट कैन लीड टू लिवर सिरोसिस, लिवर इश्यूज, लिवर डैमेज, हार्ट स्ट्रोक. इट कैन ऑल्सो लीड टू ब्रेन डैमेज, पेप्टिक अल्सर्स, स्टमक अल्सर्स, and it disturbs the entire nervous system. But for those who consume it in limited amounts, at times it can be beneficial to a certain extent into your health. Again, I am not saying that consuming alcohol is healthy. All I am saying is, in case if you are consuming alcohol for maybe a festive reason or for once in a while purpose, then you should know exactly what to take, how much to take, and how to take. So whether it's a tonic or it's a poison, that only you can decide for your own self. So before we move on, what are the benefits of different kind of alcohols that can be consumed in limited amounts and how it can help your body to respond in a much healthier and a better way? Let's know this tidbits. So the first tidbit is kitna, how much. So ideally, technically, आप पूरे साल में 5 to maximum 8 times you can indulge into having alcohol. Number 2, do not have alcohol in cases of a heartbreak or loss of someone whom you love or anything which is having a negative emotion. The reason being, it leads you into an addiction knowingly or unknowingly. Simple है. For example, if you have a heartbreak or a negative incident that has taken place, you indulge into alcohol for a temporary period of time because of the shoot in the hormones. It makes you feel nice. Next day in the morning, when you wake up, and again if you feel the same emotion or whenever you have a repercussion of the negative emotion coming up, your memory reminds you that you felt nice, and for a very particular period of time you had a void of that particular sadness or an emotion, which makes you feel that because of drinking you could get away and have a flight situation rather than fight the situation. So it makes you indulge and re-indulge and ultimately leads into binge drinking, and that is how an addiction is created. So never have a drink when you are not in a very good mood. This is tip number 2. Tip number 3. So अगर आप ड्रिंक ले रहे हैं, एक तो आप उसकी क्वांटिटी do not exceed more than 30 to 60 ml of any particular drink. Never have an alcoholic drink with any aerated drinks along with it. So adding Coca-Cola or Sprite or soda, this is going to worsen your entire digestive system. So you can have it either neat, that is either having an alcohol in the lowest possible amounts. So let's say 10 ml, 15 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, whatsoever. Or you can have it along with water. This is tip number 3. Tip number 4. एक glass of alcohol followed by a glass of water. Second glass of alcohol followed by a glass of water. As we all know, alcohol leads to dehydration. So in order to maintain the hydration status in the body, it's very important that in between 2 drinks, you must consume 1 glass of water minimum. Tip number 5. Always have things like peanuts, salads, nuts and other seeds, or for that matter you can have anything which is protein rich. So things like soya nuggets or paneer or eggs or chicken or fish, but again it should not be fried. So you can have it which is roasted or which is just sauteed a little along with salads. Salads go the best with alcohol and it does not even make you put on calories. Calories से याद आया, it is very important to know this fact that after fat, the second highest calorific value comes from alcohol. That is 7 kilocalories per gram of alcohol. So now you have got to decide whether you want to really consume it or you can avoid it. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं हमारे डाइट में, हमारे फूड में, जो हमें बहुत अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन दे सकती हैं, एंड वी रियली डू नॉट नीड टू इंडल्ज इनटू कंजम्पशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. पर फिर भी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हमेशा कहती है कि फ्राइड फूड्स नहीं खाना है, अनहेल्दी चीज़ें नहीं खानी है, पर फिर भी आप रुकते थोड़ी हैं. उसी तरह से इसे अगर आप ले रहे हैं तो इन चीज़ों का आप ध्यान रखिए. ये हो गई 5 टिप. और एक टिप मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आपको अल्कोहल के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा एसिडिक लग रहा हो, in that cases you can have 1 teaspoon of gulkand with warm water before sleeping and even first thing in the morning after you wake up. If you feel that you have a lot of headache or dizziness and if you have indulged too much into it, then you can have lemon shots again in the morning with warm water, lemon, and at night you can have it with the normal water. So do remember these 6 important tips. If you indulge into an alcoholic consumption, you can definitely enjoy it for a party time or for your friends or for just to have a good time together. But remember that overindulgence or binge drinking is a strict no-no. So जैसे कि हम सब ने सुना है, कहीं ना कहीं रेड वाइन स्किन के लिए, हार्ट के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. बियर में बी विटामिन्स होते हैं जो मैग्नीशियम और फास्फोरस को इंक्रीज करने में हेल्प करते हैं. किडनी स्टोन्स को भी ठीक करने के लिए वो मदद करते हैं. विस्की को अगर हनी के साथ, थोड़ा सा हनी के साथ लिया जाए तो वो थ्रोट के इश्यूज को हेल्प करता है. इसी तरीके से हमने देखा है बचपन में छोटे बच्चों को अगर बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी की जगह पे अगर हम जाते हैं, जैसे स्नोई एरियाज में, तो वहाँ पे ब्रांडी उनको दी जाती है जो पहले एक मेडिसिन थी लेकिन बाद में उसे अल्कोहल के कैटेगरी में डाला गया. इसी तरीके से बहुत सारे ऐसे अल्कोहल्स हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स के It is not the alcohol which is a culprit. It is the wrong understanding, the not knowing the pros and the cons, how much of what to be taken and how to be taken, that makes it really bad and worse for your entire system. So in order to get correct guidance, you must take the help of a professional. You can get in touch with me. I am available on different platforms. I have given you my number. Take an advice, take an understanding to what alcohol is suitable for your body type, keeping your medical parameters into mind as well. This much for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope it adds value to your life. This is not a solution to a lot of health problems, but this is just to bring awareness, to make you understand that if you consume alcohol, ये सब चीज़ों का आप खास ध्यान रखें. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Do share the video, do like the video, and do not forget to connect to me if you are worried and confused about what should be your alcohol type. This is Prerna, your nutritionist from NutriReach, signing off.